Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Kabbage. Now this is a crucial step for getting approved, accessing funds, and managing your line of credit. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1, log into your Kabbage account. Now head over to kabbage.com and log into your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, watch our first video in this series on how to apply. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings or click on link an account from the main dashboard. Step 2, select your bank. Now Kabbage works with thousands of banks, so use the search bar to type in your bank's name, whether it's Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, or a small credit union. If it's a recognized institution, it's likely available. Step 3, enter your banking credentials. Now you'll be prompted to enter your online banking username and password, just like you would when logging into your bank's website. If you're worried about security, don't be. Kabbage uses bank-level encryption and read-only access, so it can view your transactions but cannot move or touch your money. Step 4, choose the right account. Now once logged in, you'll be asked to select the specific account that you want to link, usually your business checking account. So just choose the account that reflects your business activity the best. Step 5, let Kabbage analyze your data. Now Kabbage will start pulling data from your bank account to access your business health. They're going to look at monthly reviews, deposit frequencies, cash flow trends, and overdraft or bounced payments. This is a key part of determining your credit limits and eligibility. Step 6, keep your account linked, and here's a pro tip. Don't unlink your bank account after getting approved. Kabbage continuously monitors your accounts to keep your line of credit active and may even offer increases over time. If your linked bank account goes inactive or is disconnected, your access to funds could be paused until it's reconnected. A bonus tip is you can also link other business accounts like PayPal, Stripe, or QuickBooks, just to strengthen your profile and give Kabbage a full picture of your business finances. And there you have it. Linking your bank account is quick, secure, and essential to unlocking funding with Kabbage. If you're having any trouble linking your bank account or have tips of your own, let us know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.